Happykids TV.
Hey everybody, it's Maria from Happykids, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Play-Doh butterfly. Every time that I think of a butterfly is the time that I went to Brookfield Zoo, right here in Chicago. And I went into the little butterfly garden, and I was a little bit scared at first. But then butterflies kept on landing on me, and they didn't do anything. Here's what you need to get started. You need black, yellow, green, blue, purple, hot pink, and pink Play-Doh. And I'm also going to be using a rolling pin. And if you don't have one, you can just use a real one. And I'm also going to be using a Play-Doh knife. But if you don't have one, that is okay. You can just use a real knife. But if you are, be sure to ask an adult for help first. Let's get started. First, I'm going to be starting off with the body. Next, I'm going to be doing the wings. Beautiful butterfly is coming along great. Now you know all butterflies aren't just plain. So now I'm going to be working on the design of my butterfly. But remember, you can do yours however you'd like. Onto the face and the antennas. This is my beautiful butterfly, and I call him Mr. Flyby. The reason I'm doing that is because the butterflies just fly right by me. It's like, seriously, I'm standing right in front of you, you're heading towards me, and they just go the other direction. Oh, those crazy butterflies. Be sure to come back here and see what I'm creating next here on Happykids. See you later.
To watch more videos, please subscribe.